much. Electro spin is operating. Please clear the area. Electro spin is operating. Please clear the area.
Welcome back, Riders. I hope you enjoyed the ride. When the ride comes to a full complete stop, arrive to the broken road to lift up the shirt harness. Thank you for riding.
That road looks a lot smoother than cut.
Welcome back, riders. Please remain seated until the ride has come to a complete and final stop. At that time, you may unbuckle your seatbelt and a ride operator will be by shortly to open your shoulder harness. Please don't forget any of your loose items. Thank you for riding Electro Spin and enjoy the rest of your day at Carowinds, where the Carolinas come together.